You guys, look at how fucking cute this shit is. Okay, so I'm trying to make more salads because, like, health, you know. So this one's got teriyaki and balsamic vinegar chicken, kale. I've got this kimchi sauce, goat cheese, blueberries, quinoa, and I think that's it. But there's a lot of shit in here. Hopefully I stay full all day. Hi guys, we are going over to my parents' house because, okay, this is a longer video that's needed, and I'm gonna do this like as an entire series on my YouTube channel, but I've mentioned and I've vlogged as I'm like trying to go and find a rental property that I'm trying to find a rental property. And the plan is, right, I wanna get into having like a good number of them. I'd like to, in the next 5 years, have like 10. And so the first one here, my parents are trying to sell their place. I am like, you know, it's my first time getting into anything like this, so I'm trying to be like really smart about everything that I'm doing. And so they want to rent the first one that I get after they sell their place until they retire in a couple years and, you know, do whatever they do then, which is kind of perfect because then I get a good first time tenant because my parents are like clean freaks, and they don't pay like out the ass because I'm not going to be like, I can't wait to make money off of you guys. I'm going over there right now with my computer, and I am going to show them all of the listings that me and my realtor who helped me buy my first house have found, and then they'll probably come if one of them like passes on to like, yes, this is a great house, we'll move it into the next round kind of deal. So I am so excited. I'm not moving forward with anything, like I'm not going to actually start going to look until I file my taxes, and then I can do like a pre-approval with either a bank or a broker or something, just because that helps things move along a little bit quicker. But I do want to start kind of narrowing it down and scheduling this stuff in, and I'm so excited. I want them to be kind of like fixer-uppery. Like, I'm not talking we have to knock out like walls or the foundation is fucked. I'm talking like if I have to sand and refinish cabinets or repaint or put in new like laminate flooring or something, take down wallpaper, like cosmetic stuff, totally fine doing that. Jack was just here eating that thing of food. Potato's here eating this thing of food. Let's just switcheroonie it, because that's fucking cat food, that's fucking dog food. Tato. Scooch, bitch. I'm a fucking housewife, and that's it. Look at this big ass salad I made for now and for dinner. I made myself a smoothie, and the remainder of my dumplings with a little bit of cheese, salt and pepper, some butter. Like, I'm killing it. Hello! Welcome to the Finley thinks I'm torturing him just because we have to go to the vet because he has crystals, and I'm really trying to help him, but he thinks he is going to die. So, traumatizing the pets is what we're about. Okay, I'm gonna check the mail and then we're gonna go, baby. Oh, next week I scheduled in some Botox, and I am super excited for it. I'm also seeing if Kybella would be a good option because I just want like a more defined jawline. So we're gonna see that, but I get Botox in my underarms for hyperhidrosis, which means essentially that I'm a sweaty bitch. We are leaving once again. So Finley was totally fine. He didn't have to like stay over or anything, so I didn't get any of my running around done. So now I'm going to go drop off the sex toy box at the post office. Steph and I are going to go to HomeSense. Quite excited. Hello! So yesterday, Steph and I went to HomeSense and Winners, and we also went and washed my car. Now, when we were at HomeSense, Winners, and even entering the car wash, it was a beautiful fucking day. Like, I'm talking 2 degrees Celsius, which in Alberta specifically during January, unfucking heard of. Beautiful, above freezing. Who is she? and it was a beautiful clear night. And then we literally enter into the car wash. It's one of those self-wash things, so we're in there for like 5 minutes just to spray down my car because it's a little dirty. You got to get the salt off or else it can like cause rust and erosion. And then we exit the car wash and it is a literal fucking blizzard. Like, it's hailing, it's snowing, the wind knocked people's trampolines, it flew it out of their yard and dropped it. Steph's fence is broken, shingles were coming off, like 110-kilometer winds in the span of like 5 fucking minutes. I don't know. So I ended up staying over at Steph's last night because, to be honest, I just did not feel like driving home in that. I just didn't want to do it. So I'm gonna go home now. Jess said that my place was fine and nothing happened, so I'm just gonna go and check it. Okay, well, that, I thought maybe the sun wouldn't be right in my eyes directly, but incorrect. Hello there. We have very exciting errands to run today, so I figured I would bring you along with me on the journey. So, I have a mask, great. We today, right now in fact, are going to go and pick up groceries. Isn't that exciting? Aren't you pumped? That's it, that's all we're doing. Don't you want to come along for that? Oh, you don't? You think that's lame? Well, that's fucking rude. No, we are also going to pick out new flooring for downstairs because Jess is moving out. And I am turning my basement into my filming like studio thing. And then when Cooper moves in, he is taking my current filming room and making that his office. And then we're keeping like the workout room and everything as is. But so if you remember back like probably a year ago when Jess had that foster dog, Daniel, who destroyed my basement, like ate the carpet, fucked up the drywall, fucked up the door, the trim, like everything. I have to go and get it re-carpeted anyway, so she's paying for like what carpet would be, and I'm just upgrading it to the laminate that's upstairs, and then I'm redoing the carpet on the stairs going downstairs. And while we're at it, I'm gonna put in some new railings. So this weekend is going to be a demo time, which is very exciting. And you guys, I am fucking pumped. I am pumped to turn this, which I have been thinking about for like the last 2 or 3 months, into the actual basement filming space that I have been dreaming about. And then I've also been talking with Cooper about doing the railings. I'll insert a picture of what I'm talking about for my like main floor stair railings, because if you remember, the ones that I have right now, it's just like solid like wall, and it's fine, but my house doesn't have a ton of like windows because it's a duplex, so there's a lot of light missing for upstairs. So by having it all being blocked off like that, it cuts off a ton of light. So I am going to go and smash the walls up and put in some open like railing things. And then I know I'm like, you can tell that I'm a professional based on my vocabulary. I got a thing of water, iced latte. We are now going to go and pick up the groceries, and then, oh my God, yes. And then we are gonna go look at the couch. Groceries, accomplished, killing it. Let's go do actual fun stuff now and look at a couch. I just finished buying my Forever couch. That was not even an hour, and wow, what a time that was. Sales lady was super nice, but I'm kind of no longer in the mood to go and spend more money on flooring right now. It's just such a big thing. Now it's done. Now I don't know what to do. I need to decompress. We're going to Marshall's. Welcome to today's episode of things I tried on in the dressing room and did I buy it or not. Yes, I bought this one. It looks sexy. I love it. This one, no. Too flowy. Didn't like it. This one, too tight. No. Didn't like it. This one, no. Too flowy. Didn't like it. This is the best game show on YouTube. Yeah, I actually got this one. Also flowy, but I like the color. This one looked too bulky and it was also $40. And I was like, no, bitch, you get 2 to 3 things. This was a no. This was a yes. And then this was also a contender, but I bought the 3 others. Okay, should we do a little teeny tiny haul? So, because Jess is moving out, oh, they gave me an extra bag. Oops. because Jessica's moving out and she owns the coffee French press. I got a new one, and then I got 3 sweaters. I showed you those. And that's it. And I don't know why my idea of decompressing after a large purchase is to go and buy 3 new sweaters, but it's what I fucking chose to do today. I woke up and I chose to go broke. Haven't even fucking drank my coffee yet. Had like 2 sips out of it. Tell me this is not a vibe. A vibe. Okay, it's a vibe. Let's go pick out some fucking flooring, bitch. So we're on our way to the flooring place. Jack wanted to come. He ran into the garage, so I was like, all right. And then we'll go get a puppuccino afterwards. And honestly, this whole outfit sans the jacket is quite the look. I kind of enjoy it. Okay. I am currently a potato. So I went and got the flooring, picked it all out. I'm just waiting for the final quote to come in. Does anybody else get so emotionally exhausted when they spend money on things that they have been saving up for, like renos? I am so excited for renos, but I keep getting so much fucking anxiety. I don't know. Like, I'm a very anal, organized person, and really stresses me out when I have people, like, I have to go by other people's timelines. So I just need to remind myself, because the floor job, these are the people who did my floors upstairs. They did that, and I'm getting flooring in the basement redone. I think I did say that earlier. They're super, super fast about it, and they're great. They're great. I go through Touchstone in Edmonton. They have like bulk flooring. I need to remind myself that in a month, I'm going to look back on this and I'm going to have new floors. The basement is going to be moved out of, and it's going to be prepped and ready for when I need to move my stuff in the office down. And you guys, it is going to look so fucking sick. It's just the process of all of this is a lot. It's a lot. It's very busy. So I've been journaling a lot, and I have been calling my mom a lot, because whenever I'm anxious, I just like to vent. And I'm super excited, and I'm going to document it all. And it's good that I'm doing this now, because I want my house in order when I start going and looking at rental properties. And that is where we're ending this video. Here's Tato. She's in bed with me while I'm editing this video, actually. And Jackson? No? Are you not there anymore? Oh my God, he's down there. He always, like, he goes right, I literally feel like I'm suffocating this boy, but he goes right under this pillow. Like, he's literally so squished. I think it's because, for anyone who's new here, here's a fun story about Jack. I fostered him when I used to foster dogs, and he came from a hoarding house, and I feel like he feels really comfy in super tight spaces. I don't know. That's just my vibe. And also his vibe. It's the vibe that he gives off when he's in tight spaces. It's comfort. Okay, I need to stop rambling and go. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.